2,000 feet down, in water that never sees the sun, something turns toward the light. No one has given it a name, and it is not alone. In June of 2026, a research ship called the Falkor spent 2 weeks drifting over the deep South Atlantic. When it left, it carried 31 forms of life that science had never seen before. They all came from the same place, not the seafloor, the middle, the open water between the sunlight above and the darkness below. Scientists call it the midwater, and by volume it is the largest living space on Earth. We have explored almost none of it. This is one of the things that lives there. It looks like a single animal. It is not. It is a colony, thousands of tiny bodies wired together into one drifting hunter. Some of them grow longer than a blue whale. The 31 were not random. 9 new kinds of jellyfish, 7 comb jellies, 7 siphonophores, 4 creatures called larvaceans, and 2 giant rhizarians, single living cells so large you can see them without a microscope. This one rose through the black on shimmering combs of light. It has no brain, no bones, no heart, and its family line may reach all the way back to the first animals that ever existed. A young squid, almost perfectly clear. In the beam of the robot's camera, you can look straight through its body and out the other side. Down here, light is a language. Red can hide you because red never reaches this deep. A flash of blue can be a warning, a lure, or a call for help. Almost everything makes its own glow. A worm that swims on tiny golden paddles. An octopus the color of moonlight, watching from the rocks. Dive after dive, the cameras brought back animals no human being had ever seen. Here is the strange part. The robot rarely touched them. Most were too delicate to catch, animals that would tear apart in a net. So the team used cameras and lasers to measure bodies made almost entirely of water without ever lifting them from the sea. So how do you name 31 new species in just 14 days? On the ship, the team read each animal's DNA on the spot. Work that used to take years now took a single afternoon. And that is the part that should stop you. If 2 weeks over one patch of ocean can turn up 31 strangers, then the midwater is not a blank spot on the map. It is an entire unexplored world, hidden inside our own. Most were seen for a few minutes, then gone, back into a darkness that swallows almost all of them. We know that they are there. We know almost nothing else. The largest place to live on our planet is still, mostly, a stranger looking back.